Well, we've got another edition of the story behind the car, and it's a 1969 Alfa Romeo. And I'm with the gentleman that owns the vehicle, and a unique story, a unique vehicle. I just love the color. Is that a factory color?
Yes, it's Ocra.
Ocra.
Not too many were made that color.
Yeah. And you were saying that growing up, this was a car that was next door.
Next door neighbor in my baseball coach's car. And I rode to practice in it, threw my glove in the back, and it got disassembled in 1974.
Okay.
And engine, transmission, axle, they were going to make a race car out of it. Never did. All the parts were missing.
So did you have to source a new engine, and
so I had to source everything.
Holy cow.
And got it, and just got it all back together, and here it is. Love it. Pretty much original paint. I had to touch a few things up. It's got some dings in it, but
Original paint.
yeah.
Wow.
So character. It's got some character.
It's in great shape. Do you mind if I open the door?
No, go ahead.
It is such a beautiful car. Oh, I love the way that handle works too. And so, as a boy, you rode in this and threw your ball glove in the back seat.
Loved it. Yeah. And he'd come home every night and make the corner and downshift and goose it at 10:30. And I just loved hearing that.
Yeah, the engines in these sound so nice. And it's a 5-speed.
Yeah.
Was it originally a 5-speed?
Yeah, they were ahead of their time.
Wow.
Yeah.
I had a 240Z, and it was, if I remember correctly, it was 3-speed and reverse.
I had 71 240. I think it was a 4-speed. Though.
Was it 4?
Yeah.
It's been so long ago, and mine was a 70. And what is the significance of the cloverleaf, the shamrock?
So when Alfa started out, they started racing these, and they put that on there for good luck way back in the beginning.
Okay.
So most Alphas got them on there.
Yes.
You know, and I put those on there.
And I insulted you from behind. I thought it was an MG.
Yeah.
Had I seen it from the front. But you were gracious enough to agree to the video. It is just beautiful. And was it in? Was the baseball coach the original owner, first owner?
Second owner.
Second owner. So your third owner, original paint.
Mostly original. There was
Yeah.
some scratches and a little. I just fixed up myself, you know.
Yes.
But that's fine.
Yeah.
Just like a little character. But you got to see my engine now.
I was
I'm
going
proud
to
of
ask
that.
if we could see the engine.
Okay.
Holy smokes.
It's a 1750 now, which seemed to be their sweet engine.
So what would this engine have come out of?
It's another Alfa.
Yes.
Yeah. But this was a junior, so it was a 1300 engine.
Okay.
And it was for tax reasons in Europe.
Oh, okay.
There were less tax if you bought the littler engine and stuff.
Yeah.
And I guess this was the cheap model back in the day. But
Isn't it amazing how governments come up with all these taxes and then people try to find a way around it?
yeah.
They would just get out of our way. So would this have come out of a junior as well, or was the junior only?
It would have came out of a GT.
GT?
Junior made it a 1300.
Okay.
They had GTs with 1750s in them and
Okay.
1600s also.
And how was this as far as on the highway? It was run all day long?
It's good. Yeah.
Yeah.
It's good.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, with a 5-speed.
It seems to like 70 mile an hour, like where it likes to be.
Yeah.
You know. Well, I just got it on the road, so this is, you know, still working out the bugs here.
Yeah.
But got most of them worked out.
Well, thank you so much for showing it to us and telling the story, and it's a unique story at that.
Yeah, it's a fun story. I had to save it, you know.
Yeah.
I got such memory of it. I had to save it.
Well, enjoy it and run the heck out of it.
Okay, thank you.